education. And and uh, and the things it can provide us in the future.
Ayan.
Here at our alma mater, I learned many values that transform and shape me up as a better person. Without the guidance, support, and the lessons taught by our teachers, my skills and abilities would be developed and won't be this way. I want to thank God Almighty
Ang apat na
because He gave us our abilities, talents, values, and knowledge, and everything we have. He gave us His blessing because He believes that we are going to use them for making contributions to our society. Fellow graduates, are we ready to face the challenges high school will give us? Shall we live our lives according to God's will? Shall we fight here at Yaki? I am sure that we can pass through just the start of our long journey. Let us continue achieving our goals, despite the challenges we are going to encounter. We must continue being an